That's so cool.
Yeah, so we do sell berries here as well. So this whole area here is part of our garden. I have seen, especially during COVID, because we still ran the garden during COVID when everybody was so isolated, and this was a lifeline to people from a mental health perspective because everyone got so isolated. But this is community for many of the people who come out here. It really aided me in my transition from being a very busy university professor to being retired. And if I didn't have this garden, I think my mental health would have really suffered. People need green spaces to live and grow things. So I think they're essential to a healthy urban environment. This woman who's an horticulturist was talking about the fact that we've really lost a lot of soil and trees in the city from development. And she said, water, soil, and trees. She said we need to keep replenishing those and not removing them. So that's what we're doing out here. We're planting trees, we're replenishing the soil, and we're trying to conserve water so that we're growing things efficiently without huge water intensity. Well, I think that the most important thing about connecting to gardening in an urban setting is that it really helps people appreciate what we have and what we need to have to sustain ourselves. So perhaps if you come and volunteer at this garden and you maybe go out into the community somewhere like in a rural setting or go to the mountains or something, I think that it teaches you to really give back to the land, that you can't just keep taking and extracting resources from the land, that it depletes it over time. So you always have to be in reciprocal relationship to the land. I just think that, when you grow food and you work with your hands in the soil and the land, it just really gives you an appreciation of what feeds us, like how important it is to respect the land, because without it, we will really have nothing. Well, I hope that we continue supporting. The city is very supportive of community gardens and, teaching people how to grow things. So my great hope here is this garden will be here for years and years and years to come. All the gardens here, because I think they provide a very important function for many people who come here. I just think it really gives people hope, for the future.